ain't shit over here.
Margarita, I'ma open my ass.
Open my eyes.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, back
Get
up,
me
back
out!
up.
No!
Get off my cheeks!
Stop!
Shit!
What was that, bro? Bro, I didn't even open the door and he clapped my fucking cheeks. How did you die?
Bro,
Was
you got your cheeks fucking thunderclapped, bro.
yeah.
Damn. Kind of thick. Oh.
It was a bit.
Stop it. The fuck was that? Oh!